So yeah, yesterday it rained at this Airbnb we've been staying at for 3 weeks now, and yesterday it rained really bad, and it actually rained through the roof. It's all moldy right here. If you can see, it's all moldy, and it was dripping through here. We had to put a bucket down and rain on the bucket, and then over there it was dripping through there, and the bed was over there yesterday. And it rained all over my boy Junior. He woke up all wet. So this Airbnb is a little funny place. You know, the owner's funny because he doesn't want to fix anything. There was mold here. And I guess he came over one day and cleaned it all out when we weren't here. So I don't know if that's not the way you're supposed to clean it. I mean, he painted everything to make it look less dirty. So this guy's funny, and then he doesn't want to fix the ceiling. He's like, I'll just patch it up, but it looks like it needs more than just patching. It's pretty falling apart. So I don't want this house to collapse on us, but I guess we're gonna be moving to a new Airbnb. And yeah, rainy day today, so I don't know if we're gonna be doing shows today. Today might be a rest day. And that's what happens on days like this when it rains. You know, it's just a chill day, not really a show day, not really work day. So we're probably gonna take the day off. So yeah, it's okay though, because I practiced hard last night. I'm sore. So I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on though. We'll probably get into a new Airbnb. What's up, guys? So like I said, it's raining today, so we're taking the day off today. No shows, and we decided to go get pho. I haven't had pho in a long time. I get to drink some Thai tea. Oh, I missed it. And I'm with Junior, Rocky, Lino, you know, gang. Yep. Some bomb food right here. Maybe later we can go try out some New Orleans type of food.
Nah, fuck that. Weed as fuck. Fuck that.
Alright, yeah. Talk to you guys later. What's up, folks? Huh? Okay. We're here today, all ready to go. And it's raining, so I don't think we're gonna do shows today, unfortunately. I mean, maybe we will, but maybe later. Right now it's raining, so it's not looking so good. So hopefully it stops raining and we can do some shows and make some money today. But I guess we'll just see. Alright guys, we'll be back with you. Rainy day in New Orleans.
That's light work. That's my heavyweight. I try to battle my heavyweight. This is my heavyweight.
Holding his coffee the whole time.
Drink your coffee. For $10, he'll drink his coffee.
For $10?
$10, he drinks his coffee. No, show him up, Joe. Show him up. Come on. Show him up, Joe. I'm gonna jump off that pool and land on one finger. If you are ready to see it, everybody say yeah! Thanks for the support from all two of you. But I'm still gonna do it. After this commercial break, brought to you by Rockstar.
So on our downtime, we go to this spot in the mall. You can see the river from there, but called Jack's. We go in there, that's where we get our food. Or we go to the coffee shop, PJ's Coffee, which I'll show you guys right now. I'm way over there, because that's where I'm gonna be hanging out. And that's what we do when we're waiting in between shows, if we're doing the step shows. And New Orleans, you see people, you know, everyone's hustling out here. You got the people doing the tap dancing over there in the corner. You got people over there, the tap dancers. And then you got the beautiful French Quarter. You know, just the buildings, the architecture is amazing.